Hello, my name is Fatia. I'm from Nigeria. I'm a student at Forex Academy, and I'm here to appreciate and likewise say some few things I learned since I joined Forex Beginner Academy. Firstly, I'm so grateful to Sound Ali for everything he has done. I mean, I have no prior knowledge about Forex trading before I joined the class, and I'm really grateful and I'm really opportuned that I joined the class. I mean, I learned so many things from Forex Beginner Academy, first of all, from how to draw trade lines, draw channels, and markup charts on TradingView. Then even give us a private student to join. I'm really, really grateful. Thank you so much, sir.